Hi guys, the Nürburgring in Germany is said to be the tallest race circuit in the globe. And this is where come manufacturers from all over the globe completely develop winning vehicles. The Toyota Gazoo racing team uses this course to make its models more distinctive. On show in the garage are a number of models that completed in the Nürburgring 24 hours endurance race, including the Lexus LFA. The main characteristic of the LFA is that it was developed based on mass production models rather than as an exclusive racing machine. Nevertheless, it has evolved and matured every year until its performance has already come close to that of GT3 machine. So, development of the model focused on achieving the right balance between speed and ride without making any great changes to the mechanics. See cars and parts customized by Toyota Racing Development, which creates parts that incorporate Toyota's extensive motorsport know-how, and Modelista, which produces advanced parts with advanced and sophisticated designs. Also, you can play the popular PlayStation game Gran Turismo Sport. Feel like a real racer. So guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe the channel. Bye bye.